Hey everyone! If you're traveling through Sri Lanka, you will find that while many people speak English, knowing how to say at least a few words in Sinhala makes a difference. Today, we are learning how to find your way around using colloquial Sinhala. First, let's look at these three words. Dakuna. Dakuna is right, the right side. Wama is the left side or the left. Wama. Keling or kelim means straight, straight ahead. Keling or kelim. If you're in a three-wheeler or tuk-tuk as most foreigners call it, and when you want the driver to turn, you just add the to the end. For example, to say to the right, you say dhakunata, dhakunata. To say to the left, it's wamata, wamata, dhakunata, wamata. Or if you want to say go straight, you can simply say keling, just keling. Now, how do we actually ask where something is? Let's learn these three words and ask where something is. Koheda, koheda, where? Kama kade, kama kade means like the restaurant, or the direct translation is food shop, food store, so it can be anything with food and selling. Three-wheel park eka, the three-wheel park. Or, you can use taxi apps like Uber or the most popular taxi app in Sri Lanka, Pick Me. It saves troubles if you use an app like this in Sri Lanka because taxi drivers often charge high prices from tourists. So if you're looking for a place to eat, you can ask, Kama kade koheda? Kama kade koheda? Where is the food shop, or where is the restaurant? Or you can ask something like, three-wheel park eka koheda, if you really want to ask for it. Or you can say an English word like washroom eka koheda. Yes, if you say the noun in English, make sure to add eka, like washroom eka koheda, ticket counter eka koheda, entrance eka koheda, exit eka koheda. Now, you'll need these words to tell your driver exactly where to stop. Metana, here. Atana, over there. Atana is used when you can see the place and you can point it. Atana, there. And two more words, navatana, stop. Navatana. Haravanna, turn. Haravanna. A very common phrase you'll use is metana navatana. Metana navatana, which means stop here. Or if you see your turn coming up, you can say wamata haravanna, to turn left. Wamata haravanna. Or if you want to point out to a place you can see and you want the driver to stop there, you can say atana navatana. Atana navatana. Stop over there. If you see a turn but you don't want the driver to turn, then you can say haravan epa. Haravan epa. Don't turn. By the way, another useful sentence to remember while you are on a tuk-tuk is Hemming yanna puluwanda. Hemming means slow or slowly or slower. Yanna, to go. Puluwang means can. The is the question particle. Hemming yanna puluwanda. Could you please go slower? Yes, you have to use this because sometimes tuk-tuk drivers think they are racing all the vehicles on the road. So yeah, remember this phrase too. Okay, let's do a quick review of all the things we learned in this video. Dhakuna, right. Wama, left. Keling or kelimma, straight. Dhakunata, to the right. Wamata, to the left. Koheda, where? Koheda. Three-wheel park eka, the three-wheel park. Kamakade can be a restaurant or any place that sells food. Kamakade koheda, where is the restaurant? Metana, here. Atana, over there, a place you can see. Navatana, stop. Haravanna, turn. Metana navatana, stop here. Wamata haravanna, turn left. Hemin yanna puluwanda, could you please go slower? That's all for this video. Practice this a few more times and you'll be navigating easier and make people love you. And don't forget to smile. A little bit of Sinhala goes a long way here. Then see you in the next video. Bye bye.